Onam, the festival of happiness, unity, and prosperity. Have you ever wondered why Kerala comes alive with flowers, traditional feasts, colorful boats, music, and celebrations during Onam? Onam is one of the most important festivals of Kerala. It is celebrated for 10 days during the Malayalam month of Chingam, usually falling in August or September. It is both a harvest festival and a celebration deeply connected with the beloved legend of King Mahabali. According to the popular legend, Mahabali was a powerful and generous king who ruled Kerala. His kingdom was said to be a place of prosperity and happiness. People were treated equally, and Mahabali was loved by his subjects. But his growing popularity worried the Devas, or gods. Lord Vishnu then appeared before Mahabali in the form of a small Brahmin boy named Vamana. Vamana asked the king for just 3 paces of land. Mahabali, known for his generosity, immediately agreed. But then something extraordinary happened. Vamana began to grow. With his first step, he covered the earth. With his second step, he covered the heavens. There was nowhere left for the third step. Mahabali realized that he was standing before Lord Vishnu. With humility, he bowed down and offered his own head for the third step. Pleased with Mahabali's devotion and generosity, Lord Vishnu granted him a special blessing. Mahabali was allowed to return and visit his beloved people once every year. And according to tradition, Onam celebrates this annual homecoming of King Mahabali. That is why Onam is not just about celebration. It is about remembering a king who, according to the legend, represented kindness, equality, and prosperity. The celebrations begin with Attam and continue for 10 days, with Thiruvonam being the most important day. One of the most beautiful traditions of Onam is the Pookkalam. Pookkalam is a colorful floral arrangement made on the ground, usually in front of homes. Fresh flowers are arranged in beautiful patterns, and as the days pass, the design becomes larger and more elaborate. For many families, creating the Pookkalam becomes a joyful activity where everyone comes together. And then comes one of the most delicious parts of Onam, the Onasadya. It is a traditional vegetarian feast served on a banana leaf. Rice is accompanied by a variety of curries, vegetables, pickles, chutneys, and traditional sweets. The meal is not simply about food. It represents abundance, togetherness, and the joy of sharing. Onam is also famous for its spectacular Valamkali, or traditional boat races. Long snake boats filled with rowers race through the waters as crowds cheer from the banks. Across Kerala, the festival is also celebrated through traditional dances, music, folk performances, and colorful processions. You may even see people dressed as Mahabali, bringing the legendary king back to life through the spirit of the celebration. Another famous tradition is Athachamayam, a colorful procession associated with the beginning of the Onam festivities. It features folk art forms, musicians, decorated elephants, and vibrant cultural performances. But perhaps the most beautiful thing about Onam is its message. Onam brings people together. Families gather, homes are decorated, traditional clothes are worn, food is shared, and communities celebrate together. Although the festival has strong roots in Kerala's mythology and agricultural traditions, it is celebrated by people across communities. It reminds us of a simple idea. A festival becomes truly special when happiness is shared. So, when you see a beautiful Pookkalam, taste an Onasadya, watch a boat race, or hear the music of Onam, remember that you are experiencing more than just a festival. You are experiencing a celebration of Kerala's culture, traditions, nature, and spirit of togetherness. And every year, as Onam arrives, people welcome not only the festive season, but also the memory of a beloved king returning home to see his people once again. Happy Onam!